tip, installing the passenger side frame rail, well, it could be passenger driver side, so just using a jack to support the torque box, or the torque box, sorry. So yeah, and then just use that to kind of put it in place. Now, you could have another person there that does help. I'll probably recruit a family member shortly. But yeah, so another thing to keep in mind is little supports to the bracket there, that tail bracket, or the tail lamp bracket. So yeah, I kept those just for location, and as long as I'm on location with those brackets, that's kind of my datum that I'm using. So yeah, it's not precise, and I don't expect a perfect fit because I don't expect perfect geometry out of these parts. So it's something you'll have to keep in mind, that you will have to do some shaping, a little bit of maneuvering, and just overall some fun work. And those are holes that I drilled in there, so those aren't factory. And it's okay if, maybe the flange in isn't 100% straight. As long as you're lined up on that, and your floor pan here, as you can see, if you got the floor pan coming up to the back end, the flange end on that torque box, then you should be all right. So yeah, I mean, you're not gonna win any awards, but putting this thing together in the garage, so I don't exactly have the best fixturing. So little lineup video. So there's probably less than anywhere from an 1/8 to 1/4 inch gap here, but I'm gonna try to knock that down with the metal. So I'm pretty good. I've got it leveled out there. That's pretty good. I can make do with this. So I like it to be flush, but it's not gonna happen. So yeah, and then for whatever reason, I am a little bit more impressed with this one because at least the holes line up. So yeah, so that's a better indication that everything's hunky-dory. So driver side, not so much, but there was no way really to keep it in line with that the tail panel, or tail lamp panel. So yeah, but hey, whatever, it is what it is. It's just a Mustang, not a Rolls, so keep this one rolling. All right, out.